Hello friends, welcome back to Cursigraphy. Today's video is very special because I am going to create 5 unique signature styles for the name A Rajesh. This is my very first requested video and I'm so happy to bring your ideas to life. If you also want me to design a signature for your name, don't forget to comment below. Now let's get started. Style 1, Elegant Cursive Flow. For the first design, I will keep it simple and elegant. Using smooth cursive strokes, I will connect the A with Rajesh in one continuous flow. The style is neat, readable, and perfect for a professional look. Style 2, Bold Calligraphy Twist. Now let's try a bold version. I'll make a letter A larger with calligraphy flair and give the rest of the name a sharp underline. This style looks strong and stylish, ideal for a confident personality. Style 3, Artistic Signature with Loops. For the third design, I will add artistic loops. See how the A opens wide and the underline circles back to decorative the name. This is more creative and eye-catching. Style 4, Modern Minimal Short Style. Next, let's try something modern and minimal with letter A and R. I will write the two letters A and R with a smart loop above the two letters. Sometimes less is more. Style 5, Decorative and stylish with all small letters. And finally, here's the most decorative one with all small letters with a big R and finished with a flourished letter H. So here we have it, 5 different stylish signature for the name A Rajesh. I hope you enjoyed this special requested video. A big thank you to the viewer who asked me to create this design. If you would like me to make a signature for your name, just comment below. Maybe your name will be featured in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cursigraphy for more beautiful signature, cursive, and calligraphy designs. See you in the next video. Thanks.